Imagine an AI tool that lets you transform your ideas into beautiful artistic images using just a few words. Whether you're looking for realistic styles, anime, line art, or even animation inspired by popular styles, this tool can make it happen. Sounds amazing, right? Every image shown here was created using this AI. It's perfect even for beginners. Follow along with this step-by-step guide to learn how to use a free AI image generator and its incredible text-to-image feature. Unleash your creativity and turn your imagination into stunning visuals. Hi friends, welcome to AI Mars, our YouTube channel. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Today, I'm using an AI tool called Pixar. Here's how it works. Sign in. First, sign in to your Pixar account. Explore the homepage. After signing in, you'll see the homepage filled with many pre-generated images. Features. You can remix these pre-generated images. You can regenerate images by editing the prompts. The tool allows you to switch the language to another of your choice. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to generate an image of the famous personality Elon Musk using the realistic feature. I entered the prompt. Generate an image of Elon Musk with a smiling face. After a short wait, the image appeared. Just look at it, so realistic with clear and accurate facial features. In the next step, I'm using the line art feature. I entered the prompt for generating an image of a beautiful cat. After a short wait, the cat image appeared. Wow, it's amazing. Then, I used the animation feature with the same prompt. After a brief wait, the animated image appeared. Wow, just look at it. What a fantastic animation. Stay tuned for our latest videos.